Hi everyone! Did you just transfer a photo from your iPhone to another device and notice the file extension is HEIC and not JPEG? Well, that's a change Apple has made to help you save storage on your phone. In this video, I'll explain in short what the HEIC format is and how exactly you should use it on WordPress. An HEIC file contains one or more images saved in the high-efficiency image format, abbreviated HEIF. Basically, HEIC is a digital photo storage format that saves images at a higher quality and in smaller-sized files than the JPEG format. This reduces the amount of space photos take up on memory cards and mobile devices. In 2017, with the release of iOS 11, Apple made HEIF the default photo storage format for iOS devices. With this change, iPhones and iPads began saving users' photos as HEIC files. By default, these files are only displayed by the Safari browser, making them unusable in WordPress. While the newer versions of WordPress allow these files to be uploaded, browsers cannot display them. With ShortPixel, these files are automatically converted to JPG, while the original HEIC file is saved in the backup folder, if backups are enabled, of course. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is install the ShortPixel Image Optimizer plugin on your WordPress website. This plugin will not only take care of the HEIC to JPG conversion automatically, but will also compress your files to improve the performance of your website. If you're unsure how to install the plugin, please check the video linked in the description. Once everything is set up, let's navigate to Settings, then ShortPixel, and click the Advanced tab. Here, if you have the Optimize Media on Upload option enabled, which is enabled by default, ShortPixel will replace your HEIC file with a JPG placeholder image immediately after upload, while the real HEIC image is sent to our optimization servers for conversion. Time to upload an HEIC file to WordPress to see how that works. You can do this by going to the Media library and clicking on Add New. You can also upload them directly to your posts or pages. After the conversion to JPG is done, the image is sent back to your website. Then the corresponding image sizes are generated by WordPress. Finally, the JPG is sent back to ShortPixel's servers for optimization along with all the thumbnails, just like any other image, according to the plugin settings. As a note, if you have backups enabled, which I strongly suggest activating in case you need to restore your images, both the original HEIC file and the resulting JPG and thumbs will be stored in the backups folder. In case of a restore, the uncompressed JPG files will be restored, while the original HEIC file will still remain in the backup folder. By following these steps, you can ensure that your images are compatible with all browsers. That's about it. Simple, right? Thank you for watching and see you next time.